If you're looking for the best baseball gloves to buy in 2026, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we picked the top 5 baseball gloves that deliver the best mix of comfort, durability, performance, and value. Whether you're a beginner, a youth player, or an experienced athlete, this list covers gloves for every playing style and budget. We looked at materials, fit, break-in time, web design, durability, real user feedback, and overall performance to help you make the right decision. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5, Franklin Sports Fieldmaster Baseball plus Softball Glove. The Franklin Sports Fieldmaster Glove is one of the best budget-friendly options for recreational players in 2026. This glove is made from premium synthetic leather, which gives it the soft, flexible feel of real leather without the long break-in time. That's perfect for beginners or casual players who want to get into the game fast. One of its standout features is the Contour Fit system, which lets you adjust the thumb area for a more customized and secure fit. It also features a hand-formed pocket, making it easier to scoop up ground balls or secure catches. The 12-inch size and trapeze web design make it great for infielders and pitchers, especially those who like extra pocket depth. This glove is worn on the left hand for right-hand throwers and works well for baseball, softball, and even t-ball. While it may not match the long-term durability of full leather pro gloves, it delivers fantastic value, comfort, and playability at an affordable price. Number 4, Ice Cream Baseball Glove. The Ice Cream Baseball Glove is easily one of the most fun and kid-friendly gloves on the market in 2026. Designed specifically for youth players aged 7 to 8, this glove is lightweight, flexible, and extremely comfortable for small growing hands. The shallow pocket design helps young players make quicker transfers and improve ball control. This glove is made from safe and durable PU synthetic leather and is Prop 65 compliant, meaning it's safe for children to use. It features reinforced web stitching and padded finger linings, offering extra protection and long-lasting durability. The H-web design makes it versatile enough for different positions while improving visibility when catching fly balls. It also has an adjustable wrist strap with soft fur padding, giving kids a secure and comfortable fit. The best part, it comes 90% factory broken in, so it's game ready right out of the box. With its fun ice cream theme, it's not just a glove, it's a confidence booster and a perfect gift for young baseball fans. Number 3, Rawlings Player Preferred Adult Ball Glove. The Rawlings Player Preferred Adult Ball Glove is an excellent option for adult recreational players and catchers looking for quality without a huge price tag. This is a 33-inch catcher's mitt specifically designed for baseball and slow-pitch softball. It features full-grain leather construction, which gives it impressive durability and a classic broken-in feel over time. The one-piece solid web provides reliable performance behind the plate, while the zero-shock palm padding helps reduce sting and impact when catching fast pitches. The adjustable wrist strap allows for a secure, customized fit, which is essential during long games and practice sessions. Rawlings also offers a game-ready feel with an 80 factory and 20% player break-in process, so you won't have to struggle with stiffness. This glove is ideal for players who want traditional design, strong protection, and dependable quality from a trusted name in baseball. Number 2, BB Stock Rise Baseball Glove. 44 Pro Rise Youth Glove. The BB Stock Rise Baseball Glove is built for serious young athletes who want professional level quality at the youth level. Crafted from Select Series US steer hide leather, this glove offers excellent durability, softness, and a faster break-in period compared to many traditional leather gloves. Designed specifically for players aged 8 to 12, this glove has a lightweight, narrow fit design that improves comfort, hand alignment, and overall control. The medium pocket depth makes it incredibly versatile, allowing players to perform confidently in both infield and outfield positions. This glove is built to last, with reinforced stitching and premium quality laces that help it keep its shape year after year. 44. Paro is a respected brand trusted by a significant number of professional and major league players, which adds serious credibility to this glove. If you're looking for a long-term investment for a young developing player, this is one of the best choices you can make in 2026. Number 1, Wilson 2024 Classic Series A2000 baseball glove. Taking the top spot on our list is the Wilson 2024 Classic Series A2000 baseball glove, and for good reason. This is a 33.5-inch catcher's mitt built with pro stock leather, which is known for its rugged durability and unmatched feel. This glove is designed for serious players who want elite level performance. The Comfort Pro Fit design, along with Prolux leather lining, makes this glove incredibly soft and comfortable on the inside. The all-new Comfort Sleeve hides the wrist binding for a smoother, irritation-free fit. It also features rolled dual welting, which helps the glove keep its shape longer, even after heavy use. The flat finger binding provides extra control and comfort, especially for players who prefer to wear a finger outside the glove. Add in the Drylex wrist lining, which keeps your hand dry, and the bold Wilson logos, and you get a glove that looks just as good as it performs. If you want professional level quality, long-term durability, and unmatched comfort, the A2000 is the best baseball glove to buy in 2026. That's all for today's video. All the product links are listed in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We upload new videos every day with the best gear and buying guides to help you make smarter choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.